Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to clear, glitch and reset Gemini Apple on iPhone. If Gemini is lagging, stuck or acting glitchy, clearing its cache and resetting the app can give a clean start. First, swipe from the bottom of your iPhone screen, find the Gemini app and swipe it away to fully close it. Next, go to settings and then go to Safari. Next, what you're gonna do is click on clear history and website data, and then just click clear history. This clears cached web data and web data Gemini used for Google login and syncing. Next, what you're gonna do is on settings, go ahead and go to general and then go to iPhone storage, then go down and look for Gemini and then click on the offload app options. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps the documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, if you want to reset, tap delete app instead of reinstall Gemini from the app store. Log back in with your Google account to start fresh. Privacy tip: clearing cache and resetting only affects the local app, not your chats or Google accounts data. Make sure you're using the official Gemini app from the App Store to avoid any security risks. Quick fix: if the app still glitches, restart your iPhone after clearing the cache, then reinstall Gemini again. This usually clears stubborn bugs and syncing issues. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes.